morning, guys. So we're currently rolling on Seletar Aerospace now, and it's the 30th of December. I thought it would be a good opportunity to tell you guys more about the bike setup going to 2026. We're gonna go cycle around Seletar Aerospace and bring you guys to Seletar Airport and tell you guys more about the bike setup. Alright, so we are at Seletar Aerospace now. The plane just taking off like right there. So we're at Seletar Aerospace now with the bike here, and yeah, let's go through the bike. So this is the Specialized Airlay Sprint from 2023, the black version, and I'm riding in a size 54. I'm riding the Elite Wheels CNT Disc 2.0 in 60mm, and I'm riding the Vittoria Corsa Pros in 30mm. The group set I'm riding is the 11-speed Shimano 105 with a 11x30 at the back and a 50x34 crankset in the front. So for the cockpit, I'm riding a 44cm handlebar with a 130mm S-Works SL7 stem, and I'm running a Garmin H530 with a exhaust headlight attached below. So for the saddle, I'm riding a Riot 3D printed saddle in 143mm, and it's really comfortable. The only downside to this kind of saddle is that when you try and adjust your ass, like you try to shift your ass up or down, it don't really move, so you have to like get up and like put your ass back down on the saddle, which is kind of annoying, but you get used to it eventually, and it's pretty light as well. So yeah. Oh, for the tubes I'm using right now, TPU tubes, and yeah, that's about it for the bike. Moving on to what I have on my body right now. This is just a random cycling jersey from AliExpress. I got it as my very first cycling jersey, and to this day it fits me really well, and yeah, I'm happy to be wearing this one. For the heart rate monitor, it's just a Garmin heart rate monitor. The helmet is a PMT helmet with Oakley sunglasses. This sunglasses actually has degree on it, so it's prescribed, and there are apparently only a few Oakley models that can go with prescription sunglasses. So yeah, I got this one. It's really fucking expensive, but yeah, it's really damn useful as well. So for the bibs here, we have the Biders Indicate bibs in sky blue. And for the shoes here, I'm running the basic ass Shimano RC3s with the yellow version cleats. I have a few map stuff as well, but I didn't bring them out today because I'm gonna ride with map on Thursday. Yeah, I'm gonna bring the map stuff to the map event. Yeah, kind of makes sense. Yeah. So yeah, today is the full non-map. Other than the socks are map. Yeah, gotta wear map somehow or other, right? Here's the bike. It's a pretty sexy bike. I haven't really ridden it much because ever since I got it, I've been really busy with work and stuff. So ever since I got more free time to myself, I've been trying to ride more. But recently, just with a lot of trips and stuff, I'm flying to Brunei in about 6 more days next Monday. Today is Tuesday. Just haven't been really able to ride much recently, especially with injuring my wrist. So if I don't wear a wrist guard, it hurts. I've ridden for only about like 15 km so far, and my wrist fucking hurts already. I'll end the video here, guys. Thanks for watching. It's been a long time since I recorded the bike, because the last time I think I recorded a bike video was when I still had the F12. Yeah, I sold that away and got this instead because I feel like this was a better fit for me, even though it's aluminium coming from a carbon bike. I feel like the aluminium bike, right, it maintains speed better than a carbon bike. The power to speed ratio is it's better in a carbon bike, you can't deny that. Obviously, you can climb better and like accelerate better in a carbon bike. But for Singapore, where's the climbs, man? There's no climbs. So yeah, we have the bike right here, and thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, 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 peace.